In this video, I'm going to show you how you actually can use the Ring device to use image analysis that maybe something might be wrong with inside the machine. So the first thing you're actually going to do is press the Ring button. And what you're going to see is that it's going to establish a connection for our cell phones and so forth, or our Windows PCs. I'm just going to put the phone down here for a minute, and there should be a Ring tool that's actually behind the HMI panel. So we're going to carefully here close the HMI panel, and there's two screws that you actually have to loosen off. You don't need to take them all the way out. Once you loosen them off, you'll just put the tool back here, behind here. And you're going to actually slide up the Ring device, and there's going to be a plug, so don't yank on it too much. You're just going to carefully unplug that sort of USB port. And now you actually have the Ring device in your hands. You can actually use it with inside the machine to maybe show images of maybe issues that might be going on. Maybe something wrong with the alignment of the grower bag. Maybe there's an issue with the proximity switch and so forth. Once you've reached out to our support hotline and you've showed them the various images, you want to basically make sure that you put this Ring back in location. So you want to make sure that this is plugged back in, because this helps charge the batteries within the Ring device. So let's just carefully plug that back in. And then you want to make sure it comes up and over the hooks, and then you're going to slide it back down into position. So we'll grab the Ring tool here, and now what we want to do is there's two screws on either end, and we want to make sure that we snug up those hex screws back into position so the Ring device doesn't fall off. Thank you very much.